Mrs. Crawford's new book, A Catered Christmas Cookie Exchange, a mystery with recipes. This is Barbara, and this Visit Mema, and here's another book that I've finished reading this month. And I'll tell you about it by reading the back here. Bernie and Libby Simmons, Caterers Extraordinaire, are hosting a televised cookie contest just in time for Christmas. But unfriendly rivals cook up a cutthroat competition. The feisty members of the Christmas Cookie Club Exchange are busy perfecting their recipes once again. And with the Baking for Life cookie contest on the line, the stakes are higher and deadlier than ever. Millie Piedmont is certain that Millie's Majestic Meltaways will win the competition, and when she dies in a suspicious car accident en route to the show, Bernie and Libby wonder if a rival club member may have felt the same way. Millie's niece enlisted the sleuthing sisters to help her find some answers. Did someone run Millie off the road? And who stole the cookies from her car? The members of the Cookie Club appear to be grieving the loss of their friend, but Bernie and Libby start digging and are shocked to uncover a soap opera of sinister secrets and clandestine affairs. Perhaps all the backbiting, gossiping, and petty jealousy were just the right ingredients to whip up a half-baked murder. Bernie and Libby will stop at nothing to get to the truth, because no holiday treat is sweeter than justice. It's a fun read. I enjoyed it. Of course, I was craving cookies when I got through, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little review. Thank you.